AI is changing the way we do business online. From creating content to improving customer support, ChatGPT is revolutionizing how WordPress site owners manage their websites. Stay tuned because today we're diving into how ChatGPT can take your WordPress site to the next level. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapid Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. If you're managing a WordPress site, you've probably heard of ChatGPT and AI. But did you know that these tools can help you automate content, improve customer support, boost SEO, and even translate your site into different languages? In this video, we're going to explore exactly how AI and ChatGPT can help you optimize your WordPress site. Creating fresh, engaging content is key to keeping your WordPress site alive, but it can be time-consuming. With ChatGPT, you can automate this process. Whether you're running a blog or an e-commerce site, AI can generate blog posts, produce descriptions, and even category overviews in a matter of minutes. For example, if you manage a WooCommerce store, ChatGPT can craft product descriptions that are not only accurate but also SEO-friendly, helping to improve your search rankings. By using ChatGPT, you free up more time to focus on other important areas of your business. And you can still review and tweak the content to fit your brand's voice. Customer support can be overwhelming, especially when you have a growing user base. That's where AI-powered chatbots come in. With ChatGPT integrated into your WordPress site, you can offer instant 24/7 customer support that answers common questions, guides users through checkout, or provides product recommendations. These bots can be trained to understand your business and deliver personalized responses based on user interactions. Imagine not having to respond to the same queries over and over again. ChatGPT can handle those repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on bigger projects. SEO can be tricky, but AI tools like ChatGPT can simplify the process. It can help you optimize your WordPress content for search engines by suggesting keywords, improving meta descriptions, and enhancing readability. AI doesn't just look at single pages. It can review entire content strategies, identify trends, and suggest improvements that can help boost your visibility online. When your SEO is in check, your website attracts more organic traffic, which means more leads and conversions. And when your site is hosted on Rapid Cloud, you're not only benefiting from AI-driven content optimization, but also enjoying faster load times and better uptime, both key factors in ranking higher on search engines. Why limit your site to one language when you can reach a global audience? ChatGPT can help you easily translate your WordPress site into multiple languages, making your content accessible to users all over the world. It provides accurate translations that capture the meaning of your original content while ensuring smooth readability in another language. AI-powered translation can boost your site's international SEO and attract a wider audience without the high costs associated with manual translation services. So whether you're looking to automate your content creation, improve customer support, boost your SEO, or translate your site, AI and ChatGPT offer powerful solutions that can optimize your WordPress site. And with Rapid Cloud's high-performance hosting, you'll have the speed, reliability, and support you need to keep your site running smoothly no matter how much it grows. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on WordPress optimization and hosting advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.